Today we're gonna make a sandwich from the barbecue with my new toy. Right now it's Sunday, and at Sunday it's the perfect time for me to do low and slow on the barbecue. Well, I light up the barbecue, and most of the times I need to make a sandwich and then put the meat on the barbecue. And I'm like, oh, there must be another way to do this. So I was shopping around and I saw this sandwich maker. Cast iron from the Windmill in the Netherlands. Yeah, pretty simple. Long handles, you can open it up, put your sandwich in there, get it on the barbecue and get it done. So I was like, yeah, let's work with this. So it's cast iron, you need to heat it up. So let's first start with doing that. Before I'm gonna put it on the barbecue, it's already heating up. I've got myself some baking spray. Make sure you put enough baking spray on it. Especially with cast iron, you need to get it oiled. Then we're going to put it into the barbecue. It's already heating up, as I said, 200 degrees. Just heat it up and we're going to make the sandwich. I'm gonna make a cheesy sandwich with some tomatoes and an egg. Well, egg, I've got myself a cast iron skillet. So that's no problem with the cast iron skillet. I can also do it on the barbecue. Let's first start off with butter. Well, you don't really need butter. You can also use mayonnaise, same amount of fat. And it's giving a little bit extra taste. So I'm gonna get the first layer done with the mayonnaise. Then I've got two kinds of cheese, old cheese and young cheese. Young cheese will melt a little bit easier, but I'm gonna start off with the old one. Got some tomatoes. Gonna get tomatoes on the sandwich. Top it off with the old one. Get some mayonnaise on the second sandwich. And it will be like butter, so don't worry. Get all the layers rubbed in. Then the young cheese, again tomato, tomato, the cheese, a little bit more mayonnaise. It's really simple. And top it off. Well, that's a nice triple sandwich. In the meanwhile, the sandwich maker already heated up. Be careful guys, this is really hot. And we're gonna get the sandwich in there. Try to get it in a little bit decent. Get the second part. Click it on. Push down and lock it. Well, there's a locking device here. Little ring. So now it's locked down, and as you can see, it's almost completely locked down. Then it's time to put it on the barbecue. And the waiting has started. I also got my cast iron skillet already oiled up. Also gonna heat it up. Why is that? Because I want to have an egg on top of it. So that's gonna be also in there. Heating up. And by the time the sandwich is ready, my egg will also be ready.
A few inches later.
In the meanwhile, pan heating up. Gonna grab myself an egg. I'm gonna get the egg in. Now by the time the egg is done, the sandwich will also be done. Be careful, cast iron, really hot. On the egg, a little bit of salt, fresh grounded pepper. Turn your sandwich around now and then. Close the lid. And almost ready to eat. And a couple of minutes later, it's time to get your sandwich out. Be careful, really hot. There we go with the sandwich. Cast iron skillet with the egg. And here we go. My sandwich from the barbecue. Time to cut it. Let's see if everything's melted. Oh, yolk running. Cheese melted. Nice. Time to give it a taste. Nice big sandwich. Be careful because the tomato will be hot. A little bit drippy because of the tomato, but after all, there we go. A nice barbecue sandwich. So from here you can continue. Get your plate setter into the barbecue. Get everything you want low and slow. Well, this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.